I'm finally done with my hair and I want to talk about it a little because this hair is one of those looks that just works. I didn't choose it because it's a trendy, because everyone is doing it. I choose it because it's simple, it's neat, and it feels like me. I love this style. You can check on my Instagram. Most of the picture I usually rock this hairstyle. What I really love about this hairstyle is how versatile it is. It's almost fits on occasion without you having to think so hard. You can wear it at work, when you are going to the market, when you are meeting friends, attending events, or even the days when you are just stepping out quickly. It doesn't feel too much and it also doesn't feel underdone. It's just perfect. Sometimes constantly changing hairstyle can be exhausting, especially when life already feels busy with school, work, and lately this week I've been so busy and this hairstyle has been the one that I've been rocking this whole week because it's simple and I feel like doing this hairstyle is really helping me because I can save time. It's neat and it doesn't take a lot of time to make it. It is one of the best so far because the only tools that I need is gel, edge control, and my little comb, and just the upper extension. And honestly, it makes things a lot easier, especially when sometimes I wake up late and I'm running late. This is a saver hairstyle. So I paired this hairstyle with a very simple girl makeup routine that doesn't take too much time, just clean skin vibe, a defined brows, a little bit of glow on my cheeks to act as a blush, and something light on my lips, a little eyeliner, sorry, lip liner. I usually use two as my brow liner, and a little of lipstick, or let me say lip glow. If any, you can choose any that best works for you. This is the kind of makeup you can wear every day. It's not meant to change your face, it's just meant to enhance what's already there and help you feel fresh and confident. For me, simple makeup feels more realistic. It's easy to maintain, it's more comfortable because you can wear it any time of the day, even if it's daytime or evening, any time of the day, and it can match with the occasion, work, school. It can match anywhere. This whole look is for those days that you want to feel put together without doing too much. The days when you don't want to overthink about your appearance, but still you want to look good, you want to glow, you want to feel comfortable under your own makeup, your own dress, your hair. It is really easy and comfortable, because for me it's not just about makeup, it's about how it gives me confidence, the kind that doesn't need to be loud or noticed. If you're someone who prefer low maintenance beauty but still wants a look that works for almost any occasion, then this might be something you have been looking for. I've also included a simple makeup tutorial in this video, step by step, in case you're looking for something quick, natural and realistic, something you can actually repeat every day without stress. If you are the first time watching this video, welcome and thank you for watching this video till the end. Don't forget to subscribe for the next video. See you. Bye bye.